Hello friends, today we will see how to install Google Analytics on WordPress website. Let's dive into your WordPress website. So I will open my learning website where I want to install the WordPress. Just sign it to your website. Now there are two ways we can install our Google Analytics on our website. One is by plugin method and another is by using the traditional method by implementing the tracking code to the header. So first of all we will see how to install using manually, like by placing the tracking code to the header section. So let's sign into our Google Analytics account. If you don't have any Google Analytics account, just please sign it and sign up there. As I have already installed one of the analytic on my main website, so now I want to install the analytic on my learning website. Just go to admin, create property. Now there are three options, like for which platform you want tracking, like web application or app and web. So in our case we want for only web, so let's just select that thing and continue it. Now just give your website name over here and give your website URL over here and select the category. So in my case it is education, job and education. Select your time zone and create. Now you would be head over to the tracking code. Now you have to simply copy this tracking code and go to your dashboard and go to the appearance and theme editor section and just OK it, and just head over to the header file, header.php, and below this meta tag or below this head tag just paste that code and update the file. Now the tracking code has been installed successfully. Now if you want to do manually, how can you do that thing? If you want to do automatically, you need to just install a plugin. Go to Google Analytics, type Google Analytics over here. Just download this Google Analytics dashboard plugin and see, this is 2 millions of active user and it is a very popular in this in the WordPress. Activate it. Now we have to simply launch the wizard and select the business type, connect the monster. Now it will automatically connect to your analytic account and allow it, and select the property which we have already created. And leave this thing as it is. Just save and continue, and save and continue. Skip these steps, and here we go. Boom, we have achieved both the things, both the way, like how to install Google Analytics manually and automatically also. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.